Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. This episode is sponsored by LiTime. We're going to be checking out LiTime's 48V 100Ah golf cart metal case lithium iron phosphate battery. This has got 200 amp BMS built right in, and this comes with a charger and a monitor. But if you're in a hurry and just look for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. You get an additional discount on this. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. This new battery from LiTime revolutionizes your golf cart experience. It's got an advanced LCD monitor, supports RS-485 communication. You can easily track voltage, capacity, and system status in real time. It's very precise, eliminating guesswork and ensuring optimal performance. The durable metal case provides exceptional impact and corrosion resistance, while the 200 amp 2C discharge rate for 120 seconds supports higher power demands for smooth rides on any terrain. For example, if you hit steeper terrains on your golf cart, this is going to help you get that extra power that you need, because the 2C rate is going to allow this battery to output at twice as continuous power for 2 minutes. And it's backed by 15,000 cycle lifespan. That means you can recharge this battery 15,000 times, capable of delivering 5.12 kilowatts continuous power. These LFP batteries are ideal for powering up 5 kilowatt golf carts. And on their product page, there is a mistake. It says lithium ion golf cart batteries, but actually these are lithium iron phosphate. These are not lithium ion batteries. So you got 5.12 kilowatt power, 200 amp BMS built-in, maximum performance for your golf cart. Lithium iron phosphate cart batteries designed for superior performance. Each battery offers a robust 5,120 watt-hour energy and supports up to 8 batteries in parallel, which is an insane amount of power. These are actually really great for solar backup as well. Equipped with powerful 200 amp BMS, that is amazing. Capable of handling 600 amps for 1 second for huge surge capacity, 360 amps for 10 seconds, and 200 amps for 120 seconds. This battery is insane. These batteries ensure reliable, safe operation even under these heavy loads. It supports external monitoring screens and seamless CAN RS-485 communications, easily track performance in real time, lightweight and maintenance free. These batteries are a perfect eco-friendly solution to maximize your golf cart's efficiency and range. And if you pick up the monitor and battery charger with it, say goodbye to guesswork and unexpected issues, because you can take full control of your golf cart batteries with this advanced real-time monitoring screen supporting CAN RS-485 communication. The system offers seamless integration into your 48-volt golf cart battery, providing precise data on voltage, current, temperature, and state of charge at a really quick glance. Monitor up to 8 batteries simultaneously, ensuring optimal performance and identifying issues such as overheating, system errors, and things like that instantly. Enables comprehensive system-wide performance checks when installed on the first or last battery in parallel, allowing users to manage power, control discharge on and off, battery health, and troubleshoot with ease. Ergonomically designed for user convenience. There's a built-in pressure release valve that ensures safety by automatically stabilizing internal pressure when needed, and there's an intuitive switch button with LED indicators and provides real-time status visibility. Features advanced connectivity with the RS-485 CAN communication. These batteries offer seamless integration with monitoring systems for optimal performance management, and engineered for reliability and convenience. It's a perfect combination for safety, functionality, and user-friendliness. It's extremely easy to use, it's really nice, and it's so much power. These are stable, durable, and built to last over a decade. Some of these batteries may actually outlive a lot of us. This battery uses premium EV-grade LFP battery cells, delivers exceptional performance and reliability, designed to address common user frustrations like frequent replacements and inconsistent power. These are not going to have problems like that, and you get unmatched safety and reliability with the advanced BMS. You get 20 plus protections, overcharge, over discharge, over current, overheating, short circuit, things like that. Right now there is a really good deal going on. It's only $1,400, plus you can use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on this. Use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these new products.